Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. It's been almost 3 years since ChatGPT has arrived into our lives and it has completely changed our lives. We have been using ChatGPT at our workplaces, we have been using ChatGPT to research about so many things, we have been using it as our personal therapists as well. And let me tell you, it is one of my therapists as well. But jokes aside, since the inception of ChatGPT, there have been a lot of LLMs that are coming up. They have been continuously breaking all these benchmarks that are set by the top models. One such model that recently dropped in the last week was Qwen 3. So some of you might be knowing that Qwen is one of the Chinese models that has been built by Alibaba Cloud, and it is an open source model which is available for you to use on your local systems, which you can directly download from Hugging Face. So it's pretty easy to use. At the same time, there is an interface like ChatGPT that they have provided, and I was amazed how the platform is working for them, because there were so many interesting things that I saw there which might be missing in ChatGPT. So today we'll be exploring this family of Qwen models and focusing more on Qwen 3, which is the latest model that they have. We will be going deep into the interface, the chat interface that they have, and we'll be exploring a lot many things. I'll drop the link in the description. You can go and check it out by yourself as well. Without any further ado, let's start the video.
Okay, so now we are on the screen and now we are on chatquen.ai. That's the platform that we wanted to explore today. Um, let's see, let's begin then. So here you can see that there are different models that you can choose from. You can also expand, and there's a lot of like a big list that you get, which you can definitely use, and you can choose from these models. Now the interesting part is there is thinking over here, which is similar to how we have it in DeepSeek, right? So it's basically like the same thing where it is a reasoning model that it uses, and then it will be thinking and giving you the answer. Again, like there is a search option. It's very similar to how we have it in GPT as well. And then there is MCP, which is coming up soon. So in the next video, we'll be talking about MCP, so stay tuned for that as well. The interesting part that I wanted to show you was the deep research one. So if I select deep research and let's say I pick something up from this itself, analyze and analyze and prediction of the men's uh, singles professional tennis landscape in the next 3 years. So that's something that I want to know, and then it asks me based on what aspects you want to do it. Uh, let's say go with the first option, and what does it do? So it has started researching, and you can see there's a research planning that first it does, where it plans out like what all things it has to do, and then sequentially it will perform those things. It takes some time, so I have done something for you. I've already done something for you as well. So yeah, this is a detailed research that it has done, and it was from my YouTube itself, where I asked it what is the best time to post a video, and then you can see it has went through like different steps, and it has come up with an answer where it has first gone to the research step, uh, then it has picked up one by one the points, and then it has gone through 24 sources as you can see mentioned over here, and then it has come up with uh, this research. And you can also have like a document which is like a downloadable PDF that I get. So this is an interesting one which it has given me. I have also not gone through it fully, but this is actually a very interesting thing that it has done. So basically, all in like the deep research feature is actually very interesting. Next that I want to show you is artifacts, which is a very cool thing that they have built. Last time, if you remember, in DeepSeek, we wanted to create a game. Now, similarly, let's say I want to create a chess game. Like I had already mentioned that I am a big fan of chess. So you can see what is happening over here is in the left hand side. It is writing the HTML code. that is like the artifact that it is writing, and on the right hand side you'll be able to see the output, how it views it, and how does it look finally. So that's what it, so it has finally written the whole code, and now I can actually view this. If I have to do it like a full screen, and yeah, you can easily play this game. um, yeah, this is actually very amazing. uh, like if I have to by myself write a code for this, it will take a long time. I am not kidding. Even though like I have been coding for a very long time, but yet it will take a lot of time for me to get into this and design the whole thing, and again bring up the pieces together. But yeah, it has done a very good job over here, I must say. uh, so this is something that, this is a very new thing where you can actually copy the whole thing, uh, and and you can use it as an artifact. You can directly download the code and use it as an artifact. Let's try one more example where uh, how many R's in strawberry make a cute card for it. So this is like something, a standard thing that they have done. So you can see how detailed it has planned all the things, and it has written the code. And you can see the artifact over here which is built over here with, this is actually very beautiful. The color scheme is also very interesting choice that it has come up with. Earlier also the chess game that it came up with was very interesting, like the color choices as well. So this is a really good thing that we are getting, where I can directly copy this code or maybe download the whole code and use it as is in my code, or in my website, or wherever I want to embed it. So this is quite helpful, I would say, for me as well. So this is the artifacts feature that we have. Then of course there's an image generation feature, which I think even GPT has it now. So no big deal, but yet you can definitely generate an image. But mind you that the quality of this image is not that good. So you can see I have an example over here where I said create an image of Virat Kohli lifting the IPL trophy, and you can see the image is good, but it is not up to the mark. I would say the hand over here, if you see, uh, does not actually follow any physics or biology, and this does not look like Virat at all. But if I have to show the same prompt in ChatGPT, this is like the free version, this is quite good. This is actually looking like Virat, and with the cup. This is of course like the previous editions that was hosted by Vivo IPL. But yet, like this is very good. It has also picked up the RCB Jersey, Muthoot Finance, and I think this is actually very good. So, like comparison wise, quality wise, there is no doubt Chat GPT models are way ahead of it. But yet, like there is a feature where you can create images over here as well. Okay, so moving on to the next feature, that is video generation. So you can select video and describe the video that you want to generate. Let me show you a video that I already generated. So again, like a big fan of Ramayana, Mahabharat, all the mythology that we have been learning for so many years. So I wanted to it to create a video, a POV of a person walking into a market of the city, and here is what it has created. This is, I would say, okayish, not even like, I won't say this is like the best, because if you see here, the face is missing, and there is no face over here as well. So like the faces are missing. I would say I would rate it as 6 on 10. I would also not say that it is worst, but yeah, it is okayish, I would say. But yeah, you can definitely create videos over here with the help of Qwen, and you can make like small videos, 5-second videos with a very good prompt. The prompt that I showed you was very basic, I would say, but yet like you can go up and write a really good prompt and actually help, that will actually help you. So if I click on more, you can see there are so many options that you get. I can get the latest news, like tell me the latest news on AI agents, let's say, and if you see here on the right hand side, you'll be seeing all the news items that it has picked up, and it is going through all each and every one. It is literally like a newsletter that we get, every weekly newsletter that we get. So it is actually going through all these things and coming up with the summarized version of the news. So this is also quite powerful, I must say. So this is another feature that you get. This is related to your search, uh, the searching tool that you get. Of course, you can code, write write some code, make a plan, help me write if you want to write anything, rewrite anything, brainstorm ideas over here. Let's say, give me an idea for making a short film on Indian education system. So let's see what happens over here. So you can see that it has, of course, like started writing it. So the crux over here is that it is this model is actually a mixture of expert language models. What that actually means is there are different models that are being clubbed together. They are being trained separately, and they have their own, I would say, speciality. One would be having only speciality in analyzing images. One model will be having a really good speciality in searching and summarizing things. One model will be very good at like this brainstorming ideas. So similarly, when you start a prompt with this, so the specific prompts that they have given, it will pick up that model and it will give you like the best answer from it. That's how the internal working is. But this is quite good that we have got the name as well. If you see, by itself it has picked up Indian names, and it has come up with some idea. So looks good to me. And this is quite interesting. If you feel that this is interesting, then please do hit like and comment as well interesting, because uh, I feel like I just felt that this is something that maybe we have missed it. We have not been talking a lot about Qwen, but there is this platform as well. Now let me add now let me like show you one more very interesting feature, that's add model over here. If I add model over here, and let's say I choose 2.5 max, which is also a very famous model of Qwen, and then again I add one more model, that is Qwen 30B. Okay, and I have to, let's say I have to ask something. This is like a battle mode that goes on, where all the three models will be actually solving the same query. I'll just demonstrate what I meant by this. So let's say I have to make a travel plan uh, for Meghalaya, Meghalaya uh, in December 2025. Uh, I'll start from Mumbai. Now let's see what it does. So you can see like there are three models that we chose, right? And uh, it is coming up with the answers from all three models, and you can literally see the comparison of all these three models. If you see here, uh, like the last one, that is 30B, is quite fast, I would say, because you saw like it has finished its output as well. uh, the one in the middle, that is 2.5, was very accurate and very point to point, I would say, because it did not start with, sure, here is a 10-day travel policy, travel plan, so on and so forth. It just directly gave away the whole thing, and it was quite short and crisp as well, which is what I actually very really like, these types of outputs. I can choose 2.5 for my 5 for my use. That's how I can use it, right? So it is actually very interesting where you can compare all these models and then you can see which one works for you. And every model has its own speciality, has its own thing that it wants to highlight, and it is very good at it. But then you can choose by your own experiments which one you have to use. So I think that's it from like the experiments perspective. I have gone through and shown you a lot, I would say. I would suggest you all to at least once visit this platform, and maybe this might be the next ChatGPT that you want to use.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to explore more such platforms in the comment section. And of course, stay tuned to this channel because there are many such AI videos that will be coming up now. Cheers. Thank you.